Welcome you all to this video. So in this video we are going to discuss about stock market. Before getting into the video, in previous video we all discussed about the need of investment. In that video we came to the conclusion investing in equity is a great option to multiple our savings money. So equity is nothing but shares. As I said in previous video, where the shares and all will locate, it will all locate in the stock market. Now we will get into the video. Stock market. Stock market is nothing but the share market. For example, for our daily needs, we will go to the supermarket and we will buy the things what we need for our daily needs. Similarly, we are going to the stock market for investing in equities, but directly we are not going to the stock market because the stock market will available only in the digital format. What is the main role of the stock market? It helps us to facilitate the transactions. Before accessing the stock market, first we should approach the stock broker. Through the stock broker only we can able to access the stock market. Stock broker is a registered intermediaries, which means it will register them as a trading member with the stock exchange and holds the stock broking license. So who can and all participate in the stock market? And individuals can also participate and various corporations from diverse backgrounds. A person who is transacting in the stock market, that person is called a market participant. For example, if we are transacting in the stock market, we will call it as a market participant. The market participant can be classified into various categories. The first category is domestic retail investors. These are all individuals, which means a startup companies also, a small scale industries and medium scale industries. These participants and all can come under the category. And the second category is NRI, non-resident Indian. These people are Indian origin, but they are living in the other countries. That way people can also participate in this stock market. That persons will all come under this category. And the third category is domestic institutions. This is nothing but one of the Indian corporate companies based on India. The best example is LIC of India. Till now, this is one of the biggest Indian corporate companies ever. And the fourth category is domestic asset management companies. In advertisement and all, we are all seeing about mutual fund. So the mutual fund will come under this category. The examples are SBI Mutual Fund, DSP BlackRock, Fidelity Investments and HDFC AMC. And the last category is foreign industrial investors. These are all based on foreign companies only, which means non-Indian corporate companies as foreign companies. These must be a foreign asset management companies, hedge funds and other investors. A foreign companies will all come under this category only. In India, there are two stock exchanges. One is called Bombay Stock Exchange and the another one is called National Stock Exchange, NSE. In news, we are all hearing the Sensex points, the Nifty points, everything. So the Sensex points is related to the Bombay Stock Exchange. This is the benchmark index of BSE. And the Nifty is related to the National Stock Exchange, the benchmark index of NSE. Bombay Stock Exchange is the first and one of the largest securities markets out of Mumbai in India. And the National Stock Exchange is one of the largest security markets in the country. So in supermarket and all, the supermarket is controlled by manager or supervisor. Some more people are managing the supermarket. The same way, who is managing the stock market, which means who is regulating the stock market activities? The stock market is regulated by the SEBI, SEBI. The full form is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. So the stock market will function only under the SEBI rules. So what are the main role of SEBI in the stock market? It promotes the development of stock exchange and it protects the interest of retail investors. The person who and all invested in the stock market, that person's money has to be in the safeguard. And the last role is it watches the actions between the financial intermediaries and the participant. Financial intermediary is nothing but a stockbroker and the market participant is us, which means the transactions between both of them are take place correctly or not. These and are all watched by the SEBI. The SEBI has set some certain legal framework. So the stock market should work under that certain legal framework. If you are trying to do any malpractice in the stock market, the SEBI has the right to flag you down, which means the SEBI has the right to dismiss you from the stock market. Thank you for watching this video.